Hello, all. Welcome to Aishwarya's Color Story. This is a Pongal theme painting in Kurumba art. Kurumba is a tribal art form of Nilgiris region in Tamil Nadu, India, a storytelling art form which connects people with the nature, spirits, and the environment. So I'm starting with a rough outline on what are the elements we are going to add with just a pencil outline. I'm starting off with a cave and then followed by the Pungal birds, which is going to be the theme of this painting, followed by the uh, people who are dancing around and they are celebrating this festival together. So the difference between Warli, Saura, which are other tribal art forms of India, and Kurumba is predominantly the body structure. Here you can see will be drawing the body shape in a rectangular form. In Warli, we will be connecting two triangles. In Saura, it's an elongated triangle format, but in Kurumba, it is also a stick figure, but the body shape will be in rectangular form. Now I'm adding some natural elements like trees, branches, beehives. Beehives can be seen in most of the Kurumba painting because it is one of the major professions. I'm also adding some stones and grasses around to my natural. So now we have to give a complete brown background, for which I have chosen yellow ochre poster color. I'll mix it with some water and make it so dilute, and with the help of a flat brush we are going to give a yellow ochre wash completely for the entire artwork. Do not worry about a neat finishing. The appearance of strokes here and there and patches are completely fine. It looks very natural once the paint gets dried completely. So give a wash of yellow ochre and let it dry. Once it is dried, I'm painting the pots with crimson red. We will be using the colors closest to the nature, like red, dark red, shades of brown, green, black, and white, as those were the colors used on those days, derived from the natural elements. We are not going to use any other colors apart from this. Now for the human figures, I'm using burnt sienna poster color. We'll be using burnt sienna for the partial outlines as well throughout this picture. So next we will move on to the cave part. I'm mixing two parts of yellow ochre and one part of crimson red to get the shade of brown. This is a different brown, not the burnt sienna, but a lighter version of brown, for which I have mixed yellow ochre with the crimson red, and I got the shade of brown. So I'll be painting this entire cave structure with this paint, and I will also be using the same brown shades for the fire logs below the pot and tree branches, and partially for the stones as well. I'm adding outline to just one side of the tree branches, caves, and other parts of this art. Yeah, just one side I'll be giving the outline with burnt sienna, and half of the other outline will be done with a black color later. I'm adding few grasses on top of the caves. In the Nilgiris mountains, you can find grasses which are hanging in the mountains and in the caves downwards. So these are taken as a reference from those pictures, and I have tried to replicate the same. Now let's add simple leaf structures to the branches which is painted earlier to this artwork. Now I'm adding black outline to the picture. As I said earlier, we have partially given brown outline, so we will be adding the black outline also to complete this picture. Now the outline part is completely done. So finally we will be highlighting some works with the poster white. So I'm painting some designs in the pots, and we will also be adding hip ropes for humans who are dancing around. So in Kurumba painting you can find hip ropes or the towels being added for the human figures. Finally, I have added some grasses, and this is how the completed picture looks. Please do like and share your comments if you like this picture. Thank you for watching.